Hi friends, today another topic in Python is operators. So operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. In the example below, use various types of operators can be represented here. The operators can be classified as arithmetic operator, assignment operator, comparison operator, logical operator, identity operator, membership operator, bitwise operator. Okay. So, what is the role of this arithmetic operator? So, which type of operator we have to use? In this arithmetic operator, you are using this plus symbol and minus, into, multiplication, and this is nothing but division. This symbol is for models, symbol double star, you are using that is for exponentiation, and the next one is double slash, that is used for floor division, like that. So, these are the arithmetic operators for Python here. For example, example for this is for arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator. For example, A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, then C is equal to A plus B. Here that is the actual arithmetic. Similarly, here simply you can take this D is equal to A minus B, E is equal to A into B, F is equal to A by B. Okay, that representation is division. Okay, G is equal to, then how can you define that response is A, that value is modules of B. H is equal to exponential of this A double star into B. Next I is equal to floor division, that value is A double slash by B. So, these are the functions, arithmetic operations for Python. Okay. Next one is assignment operator. Assignment operator, simply we are having that we have some operators, those are equal symbol. Equal indicates that, for example, x is equal to 5, b is equal to 10, like that you can represent this. Next one is plus and is equal symbol. Plus and is equal to symbol. So, how can you represent this type of expression is here A plus is equal to B. How can you write an expression of this plus is equal to symbol can be represented as this. Okay. A is equal to A plus B, that is the meaning of this function. Okay. Next one is minus is equal to, okay, star is equal to, multiplication this, division is equal to, module like that as it is function is equal to, and a double slash is equal to, and a double star is equal to, and is equal to. How can you represent this type of, for example, so far we discussed equal symbol, and the next one is here A minus is equal to B, that it can be represented as here A is equal to A minus B. Okay. Next one is another example is A into is equal to B. How can you write this that same function is here A is equal to A into B. Similarly, fourth one is A division is equal to B, that it can be represented as A is equal to A by B, and the fifth one is like that you can take this. Okay. A module is equal to B, that it can be represented as A is equal to A modular of B value, and the sixth one is like that you can take this response is A double slash is equal to b, that you can represent as a is equal to a double slash equal to b, that is the actual floor division. Next one is seventh one is a double star is equal to b, that you can represent as a is equal to a double star, that is the exponential of b value. And the eighth one is here a and is equal to b value, that you can represent as a is equal to a and b values. Okay, these are the examples for assignment operators. Previously we discussed arithmetic operators. In assignment operators, you can represent as one more concept is here, a having is equal to b value, that is the explanation. A is equal to a explanation of b, explanatory. Next one is 10th one is a cap of cap symbol like is equal to b, that is equal to a is equal to a is a cap of b value. Okay. Next one is a greater than or equal, that it can be represented as a is equal to a greater than or b value. Next, simply you can take this a less than or equal to b, then it can be as a is equal to a less than b. So all are assignment operators. Assignment operators. Next, comparison operators. Comparison operators are double equal and not equal, greater than, less than, greater than or equal, and less than or equal. Same how we can represent as in comparison expression is here. For example, if you take a is equal to b, you have that is nothing but equal. Okay. A not equal to b, a greater than b, a less than b, a greater than or equal to b, a less than or equal to b, like that we can design the expressions. Okay. Next one is logical operations. Next one is logical operations. Logical operations are we prefer a and or and not not. So these are the logical operators. So simply the examples for this is here x less than 5 and x less than 10, like that we can take. And one more example for logical is here x less than 5 or x less than 4. Third one is not. Okay. Reserve the results, return false if the result is true. Okay. Not x less than 5 and x less than 10. You have to not follow the type of instruction, that is actual not. Next one is identity operator. Identity operators are is, another one is not. That example for is and is not, generally here x is y, that is one type of identity operation. Second one is x is not y, like that you can represent this. Next one is membership operators. Membership operators are similarly in and is in, sorry, not in. Okay. So membership operators are used to test if a sequence is presented in an object or not. The example for this membership operator is here, that is x in y. Okay. Next one is x not in y. This is another example. Next one is bitwise operator. Bitwise operator, widely we prefer this type of symbols are, and this is actual AND description for this AND. This is for OR. This is the cap symbol for XOR. Okay, this is a curve that is represent for NOT. Okay. Next, less than, that is here 0 fill left shift, and greater than this signed right shift. Okay, these are the descriptions for bitwise operators. So this is actual entire conclusion about the operators in Python. Okay, thank you.